So guys, I want to draw your attention to what is currently happening on my chart. As a smart money concept trader that I am, okay? I don't joke with the order block entry model. Now, this is on the 4-hour time frame and this is on GBPJPY. Okay, let me show you guys. This is on the 4-hour time frame. You can see, right? GBPJPY. Now, price reacted to this order block and marked out. You can see this area. This is the block, sell side order block, and price already reacted to it, giving us multiple break of structures to the downside. All right, indicating that on the 4-hour time frame, GBPJPY is currently bearish. So let me just mark them out correctly so you get to see what I'm trying to say. Now we have a break of structure to the downside here. Okay, we have another break of structure to the downside here, this area. So these break of structures are indication that price is still very bearish, like going the bearish direction. Now we have a kind of a major break of structure to the downside here. I just want to mark all out, then I can show you guys the next move. Now all these are break of structures we have to the downside. And what should we be expecting next? Now, if I have to refine this a bit, a bit backward and giving me space to show you guys the next order block that has formed out already, you get to see that there is an order block resting here. All right. Immediately price tapped into the first order block and marked out. That's order block 1. You can see that price is already reacting to this order block here too. Price is about coming to this order block on the 4-hour time frame, guys. Okay, so what we should be expecting here is price reacting to this order block. All right, trigger any order that has been placed there, and then drive all the way down to this point of reversal. Don't forget, you can see the multiple break of structures indicating that price is bearish. So what we need here is just patience to wait for price to come up to this order block, tap any order in, and drive all the way down to this point of reversal. So we'll scale down to the 1-hour time frame because this is 4-hour time frame. From there, we can scale down to the 30 minutes and the 15 minutes time frame. So we get to see if we have an entry. Now this is on the 1-hour time frame. So let's get to see what is currently happening. Now, don't forget, guys, we marked out this order block from the 4-hour time frame. So all we can do right now is refine it to suit where we're expecting price to tap into. Okay, and this is where price might be reacting to. This area, there's an order block resting here on the 1-hour time frame, so I have to extend it to the relevant area. So guys, what do you think? An order block is resting here, so we'll be expecting price to come back to this order block and tap us in. Okay, so the next thing here is, guys, is being patient again, just like I told you guys on the 4-hour time frame, so the price can retrace back to this order block. As soon as price traces back to this order block, now we'll be looking to going bearish, or if we have a pending order placed there, price can just trigger us in. Okay, so this is what we should be expecting. But then there's another order block marked, another order block here. Okay, there's a tiny break of structure here on the 1-hour time frame, a very tiny one that price is reacting to. So we get to see the one price is going to respect the most. Okay, this order block is here and price is kind of reacting to it already, but I don't see price is respecting this order block. I see price pushing further to the upside to this order block. Okay, but this is the forex market, anything can happen. So why we expect price to push up to this area, we can decide to place an alert here or be vigilant enough to understand what price is likely to do here. We have weak rejections here already, so price might as well respect this second order block. But then we also have a lot of breakup structures indicating that price is still bearish on the 1 hour time frame. You can see the multiple breakout structures we have here, a kind of continuation trend. So if we have to mark those areas out as well, it's going to be something like this. Okay, there's a breakout structure here to the downside. There is another one here. All these are indication that price is still bearish, and it gives you confidence to take any trade. We have a breakout structure here, okay, to the downside. So we'll scale down to the 30 minutes and perhaps the 15 minutes time frame to see what the market is gonna give to us and if we can actually have an order. So let's just scale down to the 30 minutes time frame from here. So let's see. Okay guys, on the 30 minutes time frame, you can see that this order block we mapped out on the 1 hour time frame is very much relevant, and price actually is reacting to it. Okay, and price might respect it as well. So we'll just refine this order block properly to suit the relevant area we're looking for. So we'll just adjust it a bit more. So this is the order block price is currently reacting to on the 30 minutes time frame. So guys, what do you think? I see price respecting this order block. I see price respecting it. Okay, so by the time we scale down to the 15 minutes time frame, you get to understand properly what I'm trying to say, and then we see if we have an entry there. But I want you guys to take a closer look at what I'm trying to say. All right, this order block is being respected. All right, this order block is very much being respected with the multiple week rejections I'm seeing here, and so price over here might just come over to this order block. There's another order block forming out already from these week rejections. Let me show you guys. These are the things you pay attention to. There's an order block forming out here already. We have breakout structure here. So price has given us the indication that it's still going bearish and not bullish. So what do? We mark out the breakout structures. Mark these breakout structures out. All right. Price is reacting to the breakout structure. So from here, we'll also mark out, refine this. First of all, we'll refine this order block here. Let's refine it to make sure it's in line with what we're looking for. And this will give us opportunity to mark out this order block and we'll wait for price to come back to it. So this is the order block I'm talking about, guys. Let me show you. There's an order block resting here. We have a breakout structure to the downside, and I see price reacting to this order block. Okay, so if you can be patient enough to wait for it, then you have a good trade there. So this is the area I'm talking about. There's an order block resting here. Okay, so it's very much valid. Price already kind of retraced to this fair value gap around here, but it's about to tap into the order block. It has not yet fully tapped into the order block, so price might as well just reverse to it and tap fully into it. You can see price tracing back. It might just retrace and tap on this order block fully before continuation trend to the downside. So this is on the 30 minutes time frame, and then when we scale down to the 15 minutes time frame, we'll be able to determine if we have a trade or not, a good setup or not. But from what I can see on my screen, guys, it's going to be massive push to the downside. So let's scale down to the 15 minutes time frame and see what we have there. So guys, it's still very much relevant, this order block we mapped out. So but all we can do is just refine it a bit more, all right, to the relevant area. Okay, so this order block on the 15 minutes time frame is very much valid and relevant. So I see price, okay, tapping into it and pushing all the way down. So let me quickly draw out our 2, okay, and so that we can have something like this. Okay, price tapping into our order block, and there's our stop loss, and we push to our take profit to the downside. So this is going to be our take profit, guys, and this trade is 5.5 2 or so. Like the risk to reward ratio is like 5.2. So this is what I see price doing. Okay, this is what I see price doing. So I'll just take a picture and send it to my Telegram community and of course for my thumbnail. So guys, let's expect this to play out. As soon as it starts playing out, I'm gonna update you guys as always, okay? So expect my next video. Stay connected, don't go nowhere. See you again in my next video as it starts playing out. And take care, bye.